So Apurva, is there a wish list? Do you have a wish list? I know you said I'm not planning things.
I have a travel wish list. That's the
Achha.
only thing like
Okay,
I
let's
wish
hear
for.
it. Why not?
Northern Lights, for
it.
sure. But
Mine
I've
also.
heard that they are very like light, and you have to go search and all that now. Which is why I didn't go this year.
Asterisk है इसमें, asterisk.
Yeah. And then फिर दिखे ना दिखे वो वाला disappointment तो इसलिए मैं गई नहीं इस साल.
ठीक है.
छोड़ो भाई, इस साल और disappointment नहीं हो सकती है. अगले साल try करते हैं. तो that I want to go to Masai Mara, I want to go to Cape Town, I want to do like an Iceland tour गाड़ी में.
I love that.
Yeah. What else do I want to do? I want to do a lot of concerts, a lot of music festivals. I want to go to Burning Man, Coachella. What else? Yeah, I think only this, and I really want to go to the US this year. I just got my visa.
Yay.
That's one battle won.
Absolutely. No, 100%. Yeah. You know what? You work, you have to travel.
Yeah.
Because it is so important.
Yeah, traveling really shapes you. So I'm just glad that.
Yeah, and we miss your travel vlogs.
Yeah.
थोड़ा वहाँ पे भी कलिश तो करके आना ही पड़ेगा.
नहीं भाई, no international college for me now. Oh God. It's like I'm constantly living in a PR crisis. So no more prizes for me.
Because you mentioned that, is it difficult to be because I know you want to be yourself, but you also know the consequences of what has happened by being yourself.
Yeah.
तो ये तो बड़ा एक.
I hopefully Traitors is my last me being myself. And then I can get a person, like I'll still be myself, but just like a toned down version would be great to have, And I think that's also growing up.
Sure.
So I hope I grow up now. It's been a while since I've been 18 last, so.
I like how you extremely ये self-aware जो ज्ञान आप दे रही हो खुद को.
No, my problem is that, there are people who are self-aware and then they work on themselves and they get better. Then there are people who are delusional, they're happy being whoever they are. I'm self-aware and I'm not working on myself. So I have formed this weird cocktail where I'm constantly aware of my problems, but I do nothing to solve them and I keep adding problems to the list. So I'm constantly like, what the get your shit together, and I don't. So that's worse.
You have spoken a lot about your red flags, but today, the person who's sitting in front of me, what do you think honestly is the red flag that you have? And also a green flag that no one really talks about.
Yeah.
Quality.
My red flag is that I don't understand the concept of acquaintances and friends. Everybody is my best friend. I need to tell everybody everything, and and in this industry, though, everybody tells. Like if you tell somebody something, सब influencers को पता चल जाता है. तो मेरे साथ वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है अब. तो I really need to shut my mouth. I can't shut my mouth. That's my red flag.
You trust easily. Is that maybe you can say it like that?
Yeah, but I also overshare so much. Like it's not cute anymore.
After 2 beers.
Yeah, no, 2 beers. I overshare sober, brother. I overshare all the time. I should really shush it now. Shut it. But I'm not shutting it. And second, what was it?
I want to say the green flag quality that people don't recognize or in you, which you know you have.
I'm a very senti person, I get attached so much to people and I care so deeply about people and I care so deeply about what, people who are close to me think about me, and I love them so much, but I can't ever show it, and I just love people so much.
Oh, I remember you crying at the top of that monument that they had built.
Yeah.
From जहाँ से सूफी गिर जाता है. It's quite a dramatic moment, by the way.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Oh God.
But only Sufi Motiwala can get a funeral. Yeah.
Sorry,
He's special.
We spoke so much about red flag, green flag. This is usually not what I do in the podcast, but for the fun of it,
yeah,
I'm going to give you circumstances. You tell me according to you whether you think it's a green flag or a red flag thing. Okay? Okay, fun. We're going to end something. We have to end with something that is going to be fun. Okay. Number 1, if your partner doesn't have any kind of social media
green flag, wife him
imprints, no imprints of any kind. Okay.
Yes, I love it.
Doesn't believe in any kind of surprises or doesn't
red flag. I don't want a nonchalant man. Other women can take him. I want a fully chalant man.
When someone replies really late to you, but obviously always says that they've been busy, like maybe even a day late, is
red flag. Nobody is that busy to send you one text. Red flag. I've had that. I don't want it anymore.
Not telling someone their whole life story and about their exes when you meet and you eventually discover it.
Green flag. Why would you tell somebody ekdam muh pe, like I tell somebody ekdam say, but it's not turned out in my favor, so I would recommend against it.
Really?
And yeah, I think you should get to know the person, understand their intentions, know that they're not going to use this information against you, and then tell people.
Okay, fair
Because
enough.
there are horrible people in this world.
that's fair.
Especially in the dating scene.
No, 100%.
Yeah.
Having too many friends of the opposite sex.
Green flag. Why not?
When your partner makes fun of you constantly in front of his or her friends. Tricky, na?
Are there jokes that I'm okay with and like he knows?
I think degrading is what you're right.
No.
You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. Red flag.
Well, you heard it from the Kaleshi queen
The
herself.
single expert of relationships.
Single expert of relationships. But I do. You know what? I think people usually assume that people who are single have a lot of lists. I don't think we do.
Yeah.
Like if I tell you what are the few qualities, I'm sure they're so basic, isn't it, at this point?
Yeah.
Name 3 basic qualities you want. I'm sure people will be shocked. They'll think, नहीं यार इनके बहुत सारे नाटक होते हैं, ये होते हैं.
Yeah. I want somebody who's extremely funny, and I'm okay if like other people don't find him funny, but like when I'm with him, I should constantly be like, hey, how, whatever, right? So really funny. 2, really empathetic guy, like who understands the place that I come from, even though he has not been through something similar. It should not be impossible for him to understand my feelings, which apparently is a lot to ask for. And 3rd, they should like have same spending capacity as me.
Fair enough.
Yeah, like अगर हम ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं तो वो फिर like मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि नहीं हम यहाँ पे खाना नहीं खाते हैं and stuff like that. Like I personally just don't want to go through that.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Basic qualities. But thank you so much, Apurva.
Thank you.
I've had a blast.
Thank you so much. Same
And
here.
I want to end by asking you this question. अब I know you will tell me, अब तो मैं advice देती ही रहती हूँ, but मुझे लगता है ये आपसे सुनना ज़रूरी है. What did you learn from your entire journey? And for people who want to, maybe are going through their own things, and there are a lot of people who look up to you, especially like I say, the rise of rise out of the ashes, right? When you literally come out of that.
Yeah.
What have you learned, and what would you tell them?
That you can do it with a broken heart. You must do it with a broken heart, and your miseries are just future stories. Don't take them so seriously.
I love it. Bye, my cute little red flags.
Oh my god, perfect sync. I love it.
Love it.
Love it.
Besties.
Yeah.